Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be giving you my review of the Amazon Echo Studio. Let's get started. The Echo Studio hits a price point below both the Sonos One and the Apple HomePod. It offers a fully featured Alexa experience and Dolby Atmos in an all-in-one solution, and works seamlessly with other Amazon Echo speakers. Amazon has kept the same build quality we've come to expect of their speakers, and this is no exception. The Echo Studio is made of a durable synthetic fabric and a plastic, which unfortunately picks up plenty of fingerprints. I would say that the build quality is more premium than it is cheap, but not in the same league as the HomePod. It comes with satisfying plastic buttons for manual volume controls and other functions. However, judging from my experiences with other Amazon Echoes, those may not feel so good after a while of use. In terms of the size, it is larger than both the Sonos One and the HomePod, so this might not be the right fit for those of you looking for a compact speaker with high quality audio. It also offers a 3.5mm/mini optical line-in, something that won't be found on the more expensive rivals products, and this works great from my experience listening to records through it. And for those people wanting to start out on a smart home, the built-in Zigbee Home Hub can facilitate that too. Compared to the Echo Show range, a lack of a screen is definitely a downside. However, apart from the ability to quickly glance at the time, the Alexa experience is yet to really benefit that much from a screen. The Echo Studio features 5 speakers that point in different directions to deliver Dolby Atmos from Amazon Music HD, or attempt to emulate it by remixing existing music as you listen. Although the Dolby Atmos music from Amazon Music HD sounds clear and makes use of the different speakers, I'm yet to be able to tell that the speaker is Dolby Atmos from listening, as it is noticeable that the sound is only coming from one location, not from the virtual speakers that Dolby Atmos tries to place around the room. With regards to the stereospatial enhancement feature that tries to emulate three-dimensional audio with existing tracks, it is yet to impress either. Admittedly, the music sounds better than when you turn the feature off, but it still has some ways to go. From my experiences listening to vinyl, CDs, and Amazon Music Unlimited on the Echo Studio, the music sounds brilliant and is definitely more than loud enough to fill the room. It seems to be much louder than my second generation Echo Show, and absolutely destroys my second generation Echo. It also supports high bitrate audio, although I couldn't discern any difference versus other Echoes. However, I'm not an audiophile. Let's listen to an audio test versus other Amazon Echoes.
So just find me, sparks will fly if we scream now. This is not how we're gonna go. We are the ones who never let go. Just watch us run till no one knows we'll never grow.
Now, let's talk about voice recognition from the 7 built-in microphones on the Echo Studio. From my daily usage, it almost always hears me even when I'm across the room, and the Alexa voice service always seems to do a good job figuring out what I said. In terms of privacy, it features a microphone on-off button which lights up red to confirm that the microphone is disabled, And the Echo Studio doesn't feature a camera for those that would worry that Big Brother is watching you. On the top is the trademark Amazon Echo light ring that lights up blue when Alexa is listening, and false triggers are few and far in between. In summary, the Echo Studio provides superb sound quality, Amazon Alexa, and a basic smart home hub for £190, and for people already in the Amazon Echo ecosystem, this is a no-brainer for anyone looking to upgrade their audio quality. Although the 3D audio is yet to be game-changing, this is still a solid device. If you are a HomeKit user or deep in the Apple ecosystem, the range of HomePods that they offer will probably be a better fit for you. However, if you are looking for something at this mid-range price point with premium audio quality and a voice assistant, I would recommend this over the Sonos One. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you soon in the next video.